Welcome to Ailuxeliving, your go-to source for inspiring home design. Our passion is helping you bring your dream home to life, from striking exteriors to inviting interiors. On this channel, you'll find a treasure trove of ideas, expert tips, and step-by-step tutorials to support every phase of your design journey. Whether you're building a new space or updating an old one, we're here to help. Join us as we dive into diverse architectural styles, the latest in interior design trends, and hands-on AI projects to make your home a place you truly love. We will help you build or decorate your home with AI visuals. You can get interior, furniture, kitchen designs, and more ideas on this channel. In the heart of a mesmerizing autumn forest lies a hidden gem. A sleek, modern black house, elegantly designed to harmonize with the vibrant colors of the season. The house stands in striking contrast to its colorful surroundings, a masterpiece of modern architecture. Its bold black exterior complements autumn's warm, natural hues, a vision of elegance in the forest.